In today's video, I want to talk to you about your bathtub. I have this nice deep soaker tub that I can only fill to right here. So I have this nice deep soaker tub that I really can't get the full potential out of it. So I started thinking about the overflow drain. I thought, how can I close that off so that I can get more water in my tub? So I thought about taking this off and turning it upside down. Then I thought, no, that's not really going to look good. Plus, I think water would have still leaked into the drain because it wasn't going to be sealed off tight. And then I thought, okay, well, I'll make some kind of plug myself, but I couldn't figure out exactly how to do that either. I just got the idea to start searching on Amazon for it, and lo and behold, I found this little gadget. They make ones that just fit over this with little suction cups, but I didn't really want that. I didn't want to have to store that somewhere and then pull it out every time I need it. And with this cover, you can turn it so that the hole would then be about midway, or you can completely close it. That way you have full control of how much water you're going to put in your tub. So let's get started installing this. Things first, gotta get this one off. Well, that looks pretty nasty, so let's clean that up. We need to have these holes in this opening. So we're just gonna turn that until we can see the opening. So now we'll just take the little screw they sent us, get the first one attached. They do not recommend using a drill because it may crack your tub if you go too tight. So you'll want to get this a little snug so that we can turn this. All right, now it's time for the second screw. So you see the hole, and just kind of stick your screwdriver in there to make sure you're lined up good. You don't want to go too snug because you don't want to damage your tub. So now we need to turn this opening so that it's straight down. Then we'll get our cover, snap it on, and that's it. There you go. You'll turn it halfway so you can get the water level to here. And if you turn it all the way up, it will close it off and you can fill it all the way up. All right, so now that we've got this installed, let's fill up the tub and see what happens. So we are about to the level where it should drain from the lowest setting. So I'll let it go a little bit longer and see if we can hear it draining. Okay, so yes, I hear it draining. Now let's turn it. And the draining has stopped. Let's fill it up a little bit more. Okay, the overflow cover is now completely underwater, and it is doing exactly what it said it would do. Water is not draining. All right, now let's test it out. Let's twist it and see if it'll start draining. Sure is. You see those bubbles? Now I've closed it back off and water quit draining. This cover comes in, I believe, 9 different finishes, so I'm sure you'll find something that will work in your bathroom. I love that I can now have full potential of my deep soaker tub, all thanks to this little gadget. This is made by West Brass, and I will link it in the description below if you want to give it a try. If you do, let me know how it worked out for you. It's super easy to install. I had it done in less than 5 minutes. Before you go, check out this next video, and I'll see you next time.